Hello, Fellowship Church. My name is Chad Degnan. I'm the Youth Director of Crossroads Youth here at Fellowship, and I just want to give you guys an inside look at what we do here on Wednesday nights from 5:30 to 8.
This current is trying to wreck me, like castles of sand, castles of sand. I feel like an enemy army is marching again, but I'm making a stand. You surround me on every side. Your love is my armor. I fear no evil. Darkness runs from your light, so I won't be afraid. I won't be afraid. You're going before me, and oceans are parting. You're fighting my battles when my feet are failing and my heart is shaking. You're fighting my battles. You're fighting my battles. You're fighting my battles. You're fighting my battles. Time after time, you're my refuge. You heal every scar. You're guarding my heart. You promise the hope that I cling to. My rescue, my friend. You come rushing in and surround me on every side. Your love is my armor. I fear no evil. Darkness runs from your light, so I won't be afraid. I won't be afraid. You're going before me, and oceans are parting. You're fighting my battles when my feet are failing and my heart is shaking. You're fighting my battles. 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 You're fighting my battles.
Hey, thank you for checking out our video here at Crossroads Youth, and we're just so excited about the opportunity we get to meet the middle school and high school kids, and we'd like you to come check us out on a Wednesday night and our Sunday for Sunday school from 9 to 10. If you have any questions, you can contact me at chaddegnan@tnfellowship.com.